Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enable dark mode on Ring app. So let's just get started. So what you need to do is just go to this three lines option on your top left corner like this. Then what you need to do is just go to the option which is just below control center which says display. Just go over there and then you can see over here it says dark mode. Enjoy your darker ring app look to reduce eye strain and save power on OLED screens. So it's now selected as auto. Let the app follow the dark mode settings on your mobile device. So currently my mobile is on dark mode, so auto select means you'll be in the dark mode. So if you have to enable dark mode on Ring app, what you need to do is just go with this option, always dark, and it will stay dark every time. So that's how you enable dark mode on Ring app, guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.